I'm Jack Rees from Fine & Country and welcome to Roegate House. Built in 2017, this landmark home is set in beautiful grounds of over 13 acres and is almost 6,500 square foot in size. The location is outstanding. The property is situated at the end of a private 1 kilometre country lane. To one side we have Embley, a fantastic independent day and boarding school, and to the other the immaculate Wellow Golf Course. The New Forest National Park can be reached in under 15 minutes and London Waterloo is only 2 hours away.